So question number 3. Which federal trial courts require payment of tax prior to filing a petition?
U.S.
Days
District.
district court.
So we got U.S.
Yeah, district.
District Court, right?
Yes.
And what else?
U.S.
And
Federal
U.S.
Court.
federal.
And U.S. Court of Federal Claims, right?
Oh.
So these two pay tax first, right? And sue. So again, this question I'm asking, which two trial courts requires payment of taxes first? We got the U.S. U.S. District Court and U.S. Court of Federal Claims. For question number 4, I'm asking which federal trial court requires petitioning within 90 days of the statutory notice of deficiency?
U.S. Tax Court.
Yeah, that's the U.S. Tax Court. So this one, you got a petition within 90 days of deficiency. So from 90 days of that statutory notice of deficiency that you receive, that's the time that you have to petition. You're not required to pay taxes at the U.S. Tax Court. You just petition within 90 days. U.S. District Court and U.S. Court of Federal Claims, you pay the tax first and sue the government for the money. Number 5, which federal trial courts does the U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals reside as its appellate court?
U.S. Tax Court and U.S. District Court.
These two, right? So the U.S. Tax Court and the U.S. District Court has one appellate court. The U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals. What about this one? This one is all alone over here. Not exactly. They have their own federal or Circuit Court of Appeals. So this is U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals, specifically the U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals for
Oh, that's it.
federal claims. The U.S. Court of Federal Claim has its own appellate court, U.S. District Court and U.S. Tax Court appeals to the U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals. Isn't there one more?
Supreme Court.
Yeah. In the rare chance that your case gets heard all the way here, which can't happen, that's the final, the last Supreme Court. Again, the trial courts, the appellate court system, and then the U.S. Supreme Court, that's the final appellate court.